Hi there. Have you ever heard of a Guanabana? Well, that's kind of a fun word to say. I'm Kurt and I work with Costa Rica Explorations and Escapes. Now, Guanabana is a cool word. The English word for it is terrible. It's called Soursop, of all things. Most misleading word you can imagine because it's super sweet and juicy and just a delicious fruit if you've never tried one. Right now, the Guanabana tree is just getting so tall, there's no way you could ever climb up this thing or put a ladder on these skinny branches to harvest the fruits. So it has to be pruned. In fact, look at that. There's a fruit right there. We'll try to get a better look here for you. Look at that, a spiky Guanabana. It'll be soft and that juicy and absolutely delicious by the time it's ready. Okay, so here's a Guanabana that we got off the tree just yesterday. Gonna cut it open. Nice and ripe here. Whoa, watch out. And there you have it. Look at that. A juicy, delicious Guanabana. Take all the seeds out. The rest is just pure, juicy, delicious fruit. So hopefully you'll be able to come on down, have yourself a Guanabana, maybe try some chocolate while you're down here. Anyway, got to get back to it. See you soon.